Hi, I'm Lauren with the Cotton Team 904.
And I'm Jen.
And I'm Kara. And we want to tell you about BeachWalk.
We want to tell you all about this extraordinary community that has an amenity center that feels like a 5-star resort. Think 14-acre crystal clear water lagoon, swim-up bar, restaurant, great gym full of equipment, and even childcare.
Introducing BeachWalk. Located off County Road 210 in St. Johns County, which is the #1 school district in Florida.
Imagine having this beauty in your backyard.
Jen, you've actually swam in that lagoon, right?
Yes, I sure have, and in fact, it was nothing short of amazing. I truly felt like I was in the Bahamas.
Tons of water recreational sports are included in your monthly membership of the Beach Club, including kayaking and paddleboarding.
They also have lifeguards on duty, as well as a super water slide that is 40 feet high.
And the sand is white quartz, imported from Fort Walton Beach, Florida. So soft on your toes.
Honestly, we could go on and on about how amazing this community is, but let's talk about the different builders and floor plan options.
We have Dreamfinders and Taylor Morrison who are still building.
My favorite floor plan is the Montauk 2 by Dreamfinders. It is so spacious, light, and bright. I love that they have the option to extend the 4th bedroom downstairs into a flex room.
I personally like the Sequoia from Dreamfinders. It's over 4,300 square feet, and the exterior is a beautiful coastal style.
Oh, same, ditto, me too. I actually sold my buyers the same floor plan and they absolutely love it.
If you're interested in finding out more about this community and would like to schedule a tour or a virtual tour, reach out to us today.
You can call, text, email, or DM us at any time.
People before property.
People before property.
People before property.